Hello,
Hello guys,
guys. This is Lee,
I'm Italo.
and we are from Sourcing Yuan. Today, we're going to talk about the topics how to lower your cost when you buy products from China. Okay?
Yes, and I think one point important to mention is, of course, not everyone can catch this point we're going to talk about because of sometimes when you are a beginner,
Yeah.
you need all these points, you need to start to building, so you need to pay attention to these points, even if you are a beginner, to start building your environment. So in the future, maybe for sure, you're going to catch some potential from these points and can get lower prices.
Yes. Even for beginner, it's important. So let's get started.
Yes, I think the first point is
So first point,
quantities, I think.
quantity. I think so. In most cases, among let's say everybody knows that quantity helps. So you buy 100, it's a price. Yeah. If you buy 1,000 or 10,000, you got a lower price. This is very common knowledge. When you want to get a lower price, you can negotiate. Yeah.
Sure.
But let's talk about from mass perspective, and we're going to talk about some skills how you can get lower price. So start from me. I would like to share you one important skill is when you buy products from talks communicate with your supplier first time. Remember, show you are a real buyer. You think this is important?
Yes, of course. I think it's really, really important to show that you are really interested to buy the goods.
Yeah.
So he can trust. He need to feel you are a real buyer and trust in your words. Trust that you are potential client to him, and it will make in the end will make a better deal for both of you.
Yeah, I agree with that. That's very important. Think about this. Sometimes if you like, for example, you come to contact with a supplier and you give them the feeling, you won't ask the price and you go away. After that, what happened? Maybe they just quote you the price, 100, 200, or 300, whatever, It didn't quote you the real, they didn't care. So if you make the feeling you are real, and they will be careful when you quote your price, they will think about it, and so that a good price can attract you and start a partner, a business with you. So this is this is the first point.
Yes, and this also will try to connect with another point we're gonna talk about is negotiation. So showing you are a real buyer and having skills to negotiate with your supplier will for sure give you a lower price. Yes,
that's correct. A good point. So it's this is the second point. When you talk with your clients, show your you are real, and for example, show your reputation, show your position in this industry. Maybe even if you sell their products on Amazon or eBay, you think about the share. Oh, this is my shop. You can say, show it to your supplier. I sell this product. Oh, they can see, oh, this is real. And maybe, for example, you are a big company or you have a good reputation in this industry. Just for example, you are, let's say, Nike, or just for example, yes. And you tell them from your supplier's perspective, they will think, oh, I have, I sell the products to Nike, yes, and I can share to my clients, and this is good for me. So this is benefits, and they can get these benefits from you, and you show this to them. It's good for them, and you get a lower price.
yes, and I agree with you. And this is all the points will connect it together. And to another point, this can connect is to building your relationship with your supplier. Of course, this takes time to build a relationship with your supplier, but in the future, you can have, of course, lower prices and also you can do some special cases. You have some problem, you can negotiate with your supplier, like any small problems. It will be a quick fix if you have a great relationship with your supplier.
Oh, really? So this is number 3 tips.
Yes.
So number 3 tips is still communication or keep a good relationship with your supplier. This is important. In some case, some guys, they use it to give pressure, yeah, to their supplier and to get a lower price. You give a lower price, I buy it. Price is not good, I don't buy it. So this is pressure, yes. But we don't do that. This sometimes it works, but here's another, yeah, when we communication.
With the best suppliers will not work.
Yeah, with the best supplier, this will not work. So they also want to find a good quality buyer. So what do you do? This is the point 3. Be nice to your supplier. So there is a case, maybe everyone knows. If you buy vegetables, just for example, no, it is different. Yeah, go to the let's see, vegetable street market, and you buy vegetables, and you talk with this seller. Maybe he's an old lady. Yes, you say, hey, hello, how are you? How is your family? Are you okay? And you be kind, you be nice, and have a good relationship with this lady. What happened the next time? You go to there, and the lady tell you, hey, let's say Idolo, I keep some fresh vegetable for you. I don't give to any other person, but only give to you. And I give you this, for example, yes, give you some gifts, even, some, this can happen yearly. So
sometimes you want to buy 3, they give you 1 more, something like that.
Yes.
Just for example.
Yes, you want more. And you have a good relationship, and you one day you want a priority, later time you want a lower price. No, because you have good relationship, so it's easier for you.
And this, and this can help you in many cases. For example, another case can help you is if the supplier has a new product, they will come to you because of have a great relationship with him. They're gonna first come to you and tell you, look, I have a new product. I'm gonna send you some samples. You can take a look, and you have a fresh new product in your hands, and you can decide to buy or not. First than everyone.
Yeah, that's a point number 3. Great. That's true. So
let's go to another point I think is important to talk is to have multiple suppliers in your hands. For example, you don't have to get locked in only one suppliers and get locked in only one price. It's important to have I think 3 suppliers to choose from them which one have the better offer to you. Yes,
remember do that. This is tip number 4, to get multiple supplier so that you have the chance to get a lower price. Remember that, do that. So let's come to number 5. Number 5 is language.
Yes. Language.
You are buying products from China. Sometimes it happens that Chinese people, for example, you buy street food, they try to foolish you, not happen usually, but it happens sometimes because of language barrier. So in this case, do you have any suggestion for language barrier?
This case, if you haven't the confidence to deal in another language, or sometimes the supplier do not speak English. So I think it's important to think about contact with some sourcing company. And in this case, we are a sourcing company here in China, located in China. So you can check everything in the description below. And you can, of course, have better prices dealing in Chinese language. For example, if you're a foreigner, you're traveling to another country, you want to buy something on the street, they will charge you a little more just because of you're a foreigner. And it's really happened to street food or to supplier. So it's an important point to pay attention.
Yeah, so tip 5, Chinese language, local language to negotiate better for get a lower price. I have another point. I think it's time, use time. If you want to buy products, you want to buy, let's see, today or tomorrow and buy urgent, so time is a disadvantage to you. So this is pressure to you. So what do? So use your time. You plan your procurement, you have a plan for it. For example, I want to plan by next month, or this month, or next month, or after 40 days. So you have time, you have 40 days to prepare. So time is advantage to you, and you can use it. You discuss with the supplier, and the supplier wanted to, they wanted to get the orders as soon as possible. So what do? In their mind, they think, anything I can do to get the order as soon as possible? How about maybe the customer want to get a lower price? so that in second place, maybe they think about it in this way. You think so?
Yes, I think so.
Oh, this is the tip 6.
And another important thing about timing is check the off season in the local area. For example, if you want to buy, let's say, winter clothes,
Oh, yeah.
and the winter is finished in that local market, they will try to sell it cheaper to clean up their inventory. So they
Yeah.
can clean up to replace two clothes from another season. So time is really important. So the next point is,
Next point, let's talk about the logistic and the shipping.
okay,
Yes, it's not the price for the products. Yes, but for you to save your, the cost and so that you have a good profit margin. Maybe you need these tips helps you as well. For example, some clients they buy different products. Yes, and so the solution for them is you can connect all the products together and in your warehouse, and then you ship it one time. So in this case, you save your cost. Yes, think so? So that also means the price of the products a little bit lower for you as well, and you have a better margin profile. Profit.
yes. Also, you can think about, if you're a beginner, you can think about share container,
Yeah, share container.
and you need think about if you're shipping, if you're trying to send to your country or to your business, back to your business from the sea or airplane. So airplane, of course, is faster but more expensive, and shipping takes longer but is cheaper.
Yes. This is number 7. Let's talk the number 8. I think let's talk about quality.
Yes, quality.
Quality. So this is not the skill, the tips for everyone, but for some market, some lower market which has a lower quality standard, maybe you can think about it and talks with to lower the raw material, to use even the package, etc., to save your cost,
Yes.
to lower your cost of the product. Yeah.
Yes.
Do you think?
Yes, I think you're right. And quality control is one of the services we offer here in our company. And you need to really think about that, because some markets, the quality, they not care that much. They can accept a little lower quality for the material, for example, clothes, and the prices can be cheaper. And but some markets, they require some high quality, really high quality. So you need to think about that, because if you are selling to a really high standard market, you need to pay attention to not get your products in some return.
Yes, I agree with that. So the last tip is you can think about your quality and according to your market, and to try to do something to reduce your cost. Yeah. No, that's it.
Yes, I think this is all the points, and
Yes.
the most important points. Of course, have another tips, smaller, but in general, the most important points. Yes, that's the points for today. If you want to know more about our company, our service, everything is in the description below, and we expect to contact with you soon. And see you next time.
Goodbye.